V6 or V8 for your daily driver? It's a classic question, but the answer for most people is surprisingly clear. Let's break down the real-world costs. A V6 engine is the smart choice for daily commutes. It's more fuel efficient, saving you serious money at the pump over a year. Maintenance is also cheaper because it has fewer parts and uses less oil. For city driving, merging, and highway cruising, a V6 has all the power you'll ever need. Plus, V6 vehicles often have lower insurance premiums and offer a smoother, quieter ride, which is perfect for long drives or dealing with traffic. So, when does a V8 make sense? If you're towing heavy loads, hauling gear, or just can't live without that signature V8 roar and power, it's still a great option. But for the average driver, the extra performance comes with higher costs that just aren't necessary for getting from A to B. For most people, the balanced and budget-friendly V6 is the clear winner for daily driving. What do you drive every day? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Engine Explain for more. Thanks for watching.